Welcome back to the MyDan Computer Training channel. Have you ever seen a karaoke video where the words highlight as the music plays? Guess what? You can create the same effect in CapCut. In this tutorial, lines show you step-by-step how to make karaoke-style subtitles so your viewers can sing along or follow your lyrics in perfect sync. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It helps us keep making tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, you need to import the song or video that you want to add karaoke subtitles to. You can import a music clip or even a video file with the lyrics already in it. It doesn't really matter. Now, there are two ways to get the lyrics for your karaoke subtitles. You can either use the auto-captions feature, which will generate captions based on the audio in your video, or you can type in the lyrics manually. If you want more control over what the captions say, I'll show you how to do it manually here, but if you want to see how to use auto-captions, just pause the video and check out the info card above. You can easily split your captions by dragging the red edge of one caption onto the next. This will cut it into two separate pieces. Then just repeat this process until each word or phrase has its own caption. Pro tip: try to split your captions into chunks that match the beat of the song. That will help you keep the timing consistent. Now, the next step is to sync your captions with the timeline. This is where you'll really get that karaoke magic happening. You lines need to drag each caption along the timeline so that it appears exactly when the word or phrase is sung. It takes a bit of time to get it just right, but once you do, you'll have perfectly synced karaoke subtitles. Now, we're going to make it look like a real karaoke video by adding a highlight animation to each word or phrase. You can add an effect like fade in or use a glowing effect to highlight each word as it is sung. Once you've added your animation, you can fine-tune it by adjusting the start and end points. This way, the highlight only appears when the word is being sung. Now, here's a cool trick. You can change the text color when the word is inactive and then have a different color for the word when it is being sung. This creates the true karaoke effect. Before we wrap up, let's quickly review the best practices for karaoke subtitles. Keep words short. Use no long sentences. High contrast colors make it easy to read. Be sure to sync your captions carefully with the beat of the song. And finally, add effects sparingly. The goal is to make your words stand out without distracting from the overall video. Alright, that's a quick recap of everything we covered. Now you know how to create amazing karaoke-style subtitles in CapCut. But don't wait until next time to start practicing your karaoke skills. And that's a wrap on today's tutorial. Thanks so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome tutorials like this one. I'll catch you in the next video.